Hello.
Did you know, right? I could do a really good impression of a monkey.
No,
Would you like to hear it, Minnie? I think you would like to hear it, wouldn't you?
definitely. I can't wait to see what you look like doing on your camera. I'll give it a solid 8 out of 10.
You know what? I'll take that. What did I do wrong? What do I need to get a 9?
More hair.
All right, well that's fair enough.